How to turn off two-step verification on Microsoft account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn off two-step verification on your Microsoft account. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to microsoft.com. Here, you first want to log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Then, click on the profile icon and select the option of My Microsoft Account. Once you're here, from the left-hand side panel, select the option of Security. Once you're over here, click on the option of Manage How I Sign In. Now, you want to scroll down and get to the Additional Security section. Over here, as you can see, the two-step verification is currently turned on. You want to click on the option of Turn Off. Then a pop-up is going to appear. Confirm by clicking on the Yes option. Once you do that, you will see that your two-step verification has now been turned off, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.